We're only 4 days into the school year, but there's already some districts in Northwest Arkansas reporting positive cases. This includes Fayetteville schools, Bentonville schools, as well as the Springdale School District. Starting with Springdale, they're reporting 6 confirmed cases. Bentonville schools has 8 confirmed cases, and Fayetteville schools is reporting 4 cases. 5 News reporter Nick Camper brings us the very latest on this.
The 6 COVID-19 cases reported here in Springdale came from 5 different schools. School leaders are now keeping track of those who have been in contact with the confirmed cases.
26,000 people. The odds are, even though you hope it'll never happen, you have to prepare for the eventuality that it will.
In addition to Springdale schools, Bentonville schools is reporting 8 confirmed cases within 7 separate schools. They're also reporting 22 quarantines. Fayetteville Public Schools says 4 students have tested positive, but none have been on campus since school started. A COVID-19 outbreak in schools is what parents and teachers are hoping to avoid. Everyone is taking extra precautions this new school year. But if confirmed cases pop up, they have to be tracked. Today, Arkansas's governor reported 222 active cases in school districts across Arkansas.
This is specific information in terms of positive COVID-19 cases in each school district.
He says the Arkansas Department of Health will soon have a feature on their website to display districts with 5 or more cases.
That's the cutoff for privacy reasons, and it's a consistent pattern as to how we've reported other information for different settings in the past.
The Springdale School District will be on that list. They've also created their own website to track cases within the district. It will show how many cases are being reported in each school and how many people those reported cases may have come into contact with.
They have to be contacted by the Department of Health and have to quarantine right away, too.
In Springdale, covering news where you live, Nick Camper, 5 News.
Okay, Nick, thanks so much. And you can find a link to all these schools as they track this, as well as districts across the state with positive cases on our website, 5newsonline.com.